Hi everyone, I'm going to show you this how the video editor from YouTube works, like in a very simple way. Because I've seen a lot of videos, and my God, people either talk a lot, either they don't go to the point, and I'm like, like it really makes me like angry because it's so easy to explain. Look, first of all, you got to go to you got to have your video, uploaded first of all, and then you click editor here. Once you click editor, you should have you should end up on this screen, right? Now, the first thing you want to do, before you touch anything, you want to click trim. There you go, boom, done deal. So you're gonna have this like black, thing with 3 options, and you got, see this thing here. This is just a locator. It just tells you like where you wanna, what you wanna see, what you wanna play, whatever, But the most important thing is the splitter here. So here you can split. So let's say I want my video to start here, right? So you go there and you're like, before you even do that, you're like, okay, where do I want my video to start? Let's say, okay, let's say here. Oh no, not here. Let's say here. Oh yeah, why not? Not there. So then you're gonna use this, and then boom, done deal, right? And so then you say, what about the ending? Let's see the end. Well, I like the end. So now you go at the end over here, and you're like, I want it to end here. So you go to the last blue marker here. Boom, done deal. So you see all those gray, black, dark area will disappear. But first, in order to apply them, it took me a while. I'm like, how the hell do you apply? You don't want to click there. Don't click clear all. Don't click split. You have to click preview. There you go, done deal. Now when you click preview, you're gonna have the save button that applies here. You see? Then you click save, and I don't want. Do I want to do it? No, I don't want to do it, because if I do it, these area will disappear. So technically your video will start from here and end over here, right? Okay, so that was easy. Now I'm gonna go back by clicking Control Z, Control Z, Control Z, Control Z. Alright, so now I'm gonna show you how to split. If you want to make a cut in the middle, very easy. Again, took me a while to understand because nobody explained it properly. So let's say you want to go, I don't know, you want to cut something in the middle. Let's say here, right? So you're gonna put your locator here and you click split. Boom, done deal. Now you can say, okay, so how does that, how does that remove the middle? So what you do, you just hover your mouse there, you bring this out. Let's say bring this out. So you want to remove the oops, sorry about that. Back to split. You want to remove this. So basically, you don't want to click the the X. So anything in the dark area will disappear. So you want to make sure you remove the right thing. You move your locator around. You're like, yeah. All right. So now you're saying, yep, that's exactly what I want to remove. You click preview, and then you click save, and then the entire video that you've actually, that you want to remove the middle part will disappear, and you'll only have this part here and this part here. Oh my God, that was so simple. You see, these kind of things people don't know how to explain, and it pisses me off because it's so easy to explain. People are like, oh, we cannot edit in the middle, we cannot edit we cannot make cuts. Yes, you can. You just didn't take the time to understand, right? Anyway, so now do Control Z, Control Z, Control Z, Control Z. All right. And that's about it. So how hard was it, guys? So if you like what I said, please click like and subscribe. And if you want me to show you more stuff about the video editor in a very simple way, just let me know. Thank you and have a nice day. God damn it.